What's up, good people? Here at the Hoover Dam with my buddies, celebrating his, what do you call his bucket list? And hey, last night, you're gonna hear a lot of noise, but last night, let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin did exactly what we thought it was gonna do. It ran up, and then Elon Musk tried to be funny. You guys know he's not a funny person at all. He did what he could though. And literally while the skits was going on, Dogecoin began to fall. So like I suggested to you guys, sell out Friday night. It was the best time to sell Friday night. And now wait for a pullback. I'll probably wait until Monday and then see where it is and then get back in. It's buy the rumor, sell the news. And hey, for those of you that's diamond hands, you're good if you got it low, but if you got in late, that was the best and safest way to trade the Dogecoin. All right, we'll keep this video short. There's a link below for the Weeble link. Deposit it, get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. If you see anybody talking about a WhatsApp, phone number, or broker, it's not me, it's spam, good people. We're gonna keep this one short, but hey, we're getting out for the next 3 weeks. I'm gonna be traveling and trading. All right, good people. I'm gonna show you some views of this great thing called the Hoover Dam.